Welcome back. So we have completed Midland range. So we'll continue from here. So today we are going to read about Kathmandu Valley and Tarai region. So we will continue our lecture on division of Nepal based on topographical features. So in Kathmandu Valley there are three districts, that is Kathmandu, Lalitpur and Bhaktapur. And the major valleys of the hilly regions are Kathmandu, whose ID is 1337, Kathmandu, Lalitpur and Bhaktapur. And similarly Trisuli have 579, Nuwakot. Pokhara has a height of 819, Kaski, Panchakal 871, Kavri Planchok, Vanepa 1554, Kavri Planchok, Patan 1534 by 30, Dhoni Besi 580, Dadin, Dang 663, Dang, Surkhet 674, Surkhet, Udaipur, height is 360, district is Udaipur. So we'll move on to the Tarai region, the flat land from east to west lying on the south of the mountain regions up to the Indian border is called Tarai region. This is also called Madhes. The width of the region is in between 25 to 30 kilometers. The head of the Tarai is Babar and Churia. The decline of elevation from north to south is the characteristic features of the Tarai. The region is tropical, so the land here is generally flat. The Tharu people were predominant in this region until 1916. After the eradications of the malaria in the region, it turned into the multi-ethnic cultures as the people from valley, mountains and other places started coming here for settlement. So the altitude of the region ranges from 60 to 600 meter only. The region is also known as the granary store of Nepal. Here is 18 district. There are like 18 districts. So first one is Jhapa, Morang, Sunsari, Saptari, Siraha, Dhanasua, Mohattari, Salahi, Rautarhad, Bara, Parsa, Nawalparasi, Bardaghat, Susta West, Rupandehi, Kapilvastu, Bange, Bardia, Kailali, Kanchanpur in this region. So Tarai region can be divided further into three sections. The first one is proper Tarai. The land descending in the altitude towards the south of the country is proper Tarai, composed of fine alluvial well. This region is fertile. The Someswar mountain range in the south of the Chitwan and Dundua mountain range in the south of the Duikuri have been intersected the Tarai, and thus proper Tarai have also been divided into three parts: eastern, central and western. The area occupied by Jhapa, Morang, Saptari, Siraha, Dhanusa, Mohtari, Rautarhad, Bara, southern part of the Parsa, western southern part of the Nawalprasi, southern part of the Rupandehi and Kapilvastu, and the southern part of the Banke, Bardia, Kailali and Kancharpur is proper Tarai. Bower area. So the narrow strip of the land spreading up to 380 meters above the sea level that lie in the north of proper Tarai to the south of Churia Hill range is called Bower area. With a wide width of 8 to 10 miles, the Bower area occupies 4.8% of total land mass of the country. So the third one is Inner Tarai. So the large plain land surrounded by the hill between the Churi and the Mahabharata mountain range lying at the altitude of 610 meter above the sea level is called Inner Madhes or Dune area. With the length of 32 to 64 kilometer, the width of up to 16 kilometer, Inner Madhes occupies 8.5% land of the country. The Inner Madhes have been divided into four areas: Udaipur and Sindhuli Valley is called Eastern Inner Madhes. Makwanpur, Chitwan and Nawalparasi, Bardaghat, Susta East is called Mid Inner Madhes. Dang, Devkhuri is called Western Inner Madhes and Surkhet Valley is called Mid Western Inner Madhes. So with this we'll completed our Tarai and Kathmandu Valley lectures. So we'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.